morning, this is Nishi and you're watching True Tarot. So today we are going to see what's coming up for Librans for the month of June. So Librans, these are just the general readings. They may or may not resonate to each and every one. So whatever resonates to you, just take it and leave the rest. Okay? So just see what messages to Librans want to know from me. Your first card is Five of Cups. What happened, Librans? So here we have got Five of Cups. Five of Cups is the energy where you can say that you're just looking at the losses, where you have failed, what it's gone from you, what's it's taken from you, what it's no more there. You can see here 3 cups are spilled down, all the milk is spilled down, but you're not paying attention to the 2 cups that are there still behind your back. You're too much concerned with the things that are lost, that are not there anymore. I know, I understand it could be very much important to you what is lost, but still this card comes with a message that try to look what is still there. Don't keep mourning at the thing which is lost or gone. So my advice would be that. And even at the bottom of the deck we have got a Page of Cups. You can see the young, the naive energy, colorful energy. You can see the cup is there and the fish is popping out of it. So something is coming towards you for sure. The page are related to the messages, to some opportunities that are coming to you. So definitely whatever the thing, still it's left for you. Everything is not yet gone. So still it is too much there that you're not paying attention to. And secondly, something is coming towards you also. And it could be out of a blue, like as you can see the fish is popping out of it, out of nowhere. So something that would amaze you. You may feel it like it is a childlike energy or a naive energy, but it really has something that will pop you up, that will really lift you up from the thing where you are right now. By looking at these 2 cards, all I can say is this only, that whatever is around you, just pay attention. It might change your way of thinking, whether you're like stuck in your phase, it will help you to come out of it. Okay, Librans. So your second card is Four of Pentacles along with the Five of Swords. What is there, Librans? I can see the losses, something is coming towards you, I know, but I feel you are not looking whatever it is coming towards you. You're still resisting. Because the Four of Pentacles energy is again a stucking energy. Here also you are stuck looking at the losses. And here whatever it is there, whatever the 2 cups or whatever it is left for you, you are clinging to it too hard. Because I know the losses are there. So because of that, you're too much attached to whatever it is left. And for that, you will go to any means. Like if you can see here, this Five of Swords card, this says, you can see this man. He's still standing with the 3 swords in his hand. With the people are going away. You can see the 2 swords are fallen down. The people are going away. Maybe whoever is coming to talk to you, to stop you, or to give you help or something, maybe they are going backwards, turning their back because you're too much resistive, too much stuck with the phase you are right now in. And you're too much, this energy, you can say it is a planning, plotting, you can say it's a mean energy also. By any means you're not going to leave it. You're even fighting the lost battle. So here all I can see is you're still stuck, but my message would be still. With the Page of Cups energy, what I saw, something is coming towards you. Please pay your attention to what is coming towards you and what is left. This is important to you. This is definitely, it is important to you. But because of the loss or because of the thing you have crossed your heart chakra, you're just sitting at one place. You can see here how this person is blocked. Here he cannot do anything Under the feet also 2 pentacles are there. Over the head also 1 pentacle is there. So I can see you sitting, mourning, clinging to whatever it is left. And for this, you'll go to any means. You're not listening to anyone, just going whatever is there in your head. Okay, Librans, let's see what else is coming up. Librans, in the middle of your reading. In the middle of your reading, you have got 10 of Cups and along with the 10 of Pentacles at the bottom of the reading. What else you want? The both wonderful cards, completion, the full of energy of Pentacles, happy family, people are there, and 10 Cups means happiness, a rainbow, fulfillment, everything that you want, you're wishing for. Maybe this thing is that you're clinging on to whatever it is left for you, because you see it has a minimum potential of the 10 of Cups and 10 of Pentacles. That's why you're too much holding on to it, whatever it is left. But in the middle of the reading, as I've got the wonderful cards, I would say don't desert yourself too much. Don't keep mourning over it. Whatever it is there, it is good enough to see your future. And you should look around also. The Knave energy, the Page of Cups which I have seen. Here also 2 kids are playing. Here also I can see the family, the cats and dogs, the together. You may get some inheritance also. All I can say is that, because 10 of Pentacles also says about that. So yes, something is coming towards you, maybe from your family or somewhere, that has the potential to give you the 10 of Cups, the happy family thing. So, Librans, don't worry. The better times are coming. Okay. So, your next card is High Priestess, along with 6 of Swords at the bottom of the deck. So High Priestess, here I can say is, High Priestess says about the intuition, whatever intuition, or you can see she's having a Torah in her hand. So something definitely it is there that is coming towards you, that you are maybe not 100% aware of it. As I've seen 10 of Pentacles also, it has something inheritance related to it. So maybe you're going to get something, but it all depends upon your karma, your things that you have done through. Because this lady, this High Priestess, she knows everything. She knows everything, whatever right, whatever wrong you have done throughout. She is fair enough. She knows everything, the black and white, like everything of yours. So here I can say, Librans, whatever you deserve, that would be coming towards you. And here I can see with the 6 of Swords energy, 6 of Swords energy for me is leaving something behind and going, or it could be shifting, relocating. It is still going from the turbulent waters to the calmer waters. So maybe with this thing, whatever this High Priestess is bringing towards you, may this thing get you to a point where you have to leave something and go ahead. And that's for your better only. From turbulent to the calmer waters you will be going. You will be more happy, more peaceful. And rather than clinging on to the 2 cards, what I have seen, clinging and stucking to it, it's better for your own future and happiness. It's better that you leave whatever it is not serving to you. Something is there that is not serving to you. You will have to let it go and move forward. Okay, Librans? Let's see your last card. Your last card is Page of Pentacles. Wonderful. Again, I would say Page of Pentacles is the energy that is a message, an opportunity, something it is there. So wherever you're going with the 6 of Swords energy, if you're relocating, or maybe it is some business opportunity, job opportunity or a new venture where you'll be going to. So this, whatever it is coming to you over to the next side, it is really good enough. You may feel it is a small opportunity. What you see, you feel it's very small offer or something, but it has a good potential. Secondly, here at the bottom of the deck, I have got King of Wands. The King of Wands energy is a very nice energy. The thing is, you're too much passionate about it. And with the King of Wands energy, it is like whatever this king wants, like keeps an eye on to something, he'll get this thing. The thing is, he's too much focused on whatever he wants, he gets. So with this energy, Page of Pentacles and the King of Wands, I would definitely see it's a positive ending. Everything is positive, even with the High Priestess, Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Cups. So all cards are good. The only thing is maybe you're starting from Five of Cups. But see, in the middle, you're coming to the Ten of Cups. What else you want from 5 to 10? Okay, Librans. So here all I can say is just see what this High Priestess is bringing for you, whatever opportunities are coming towards you. So this would, everything that you deserve, that is coming towards you. Okay. So this is it for now. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, Librans. Bye-bye.